everyone. This is Vivian Moody, and so happy to meet with you again. And I am with the healthyherbforfibroids.com. That is my website. I just want to talk to you a few minutes about my journey with herbs and also about my problem that I had with fibroids. For many years I had this problem with fibroids, huge fibroids. But I've already discussed that on my other video, but now I want to tell you the solution. I am just so happy and so pleased that I have my life back. The fibroids dissolved and now I can go have fun, I can dance, I don't have to worry about a huge stomach looking like I'm pregnant, cramps, a very painful sex life with my husband. No longer have that. Worried about whether or not I'm spotting when I get up from my seat. That was just disgusting. And I'm so thankful that I was able to dissolve my fibroids naturally. Not through an operation. I did not have an operation like the doctors wanted me to do, have a complete hysterectomy. I did not have any of that, none of the doctor's medicine. I just used God's natural healing plants, which was an herb. And some people use other herbs, more than just one, but I used just one herb, and that took care of everything. And I just wanted to give you that information. And if you're interested in knowing about the herb that I use and the other herbs that I use for so many other diseases that I had, please just visit my website. Again, healthyherbforfibroids.com, and read my story. Look at my ebook. Thank you, and I'll be coming to you again with more ideas and more of my journeys with herbs. Thank you. Have a great day.